Part of being a freelancer is actually having the right platform to reach the correct customers. And what I'm going to do in this video is talk to you about three key platforms that I've used in the past that have really put me in touch with some great customers who have utilized my services over and over again. I'm going to begin with Upwork and talk about Fiverr and then talk about TaskRabbit. Before I get started, I want you to know that I am in no way affiliated to any of these sites. I have just used them as a freelancer, and I want to share that knowledge with you and share with you a little bit about what I liked about each platform. So with Upwork, what I really enjoyed about Upwork was firstly the process. Essentially when you come to the website, it's really easy to access, and what I found was I was able to get really specific about the kind of work that I do. I'm in the Salesforce field, and so I was able to really connect my specific administrative skills to that of the customers. And so as you come through, for example, sales and marketing, you can really see who your vendors are. This is as a customer, but you can also sign up and actually become a vendor, right? So whether you're a consultant who's looking for someone or you're a consultant who wants to provide a service, this place is really, really good. Okay. The next up is Fiverr. What I like about Fiverr is the website's really easy to manage and the percentage that you get is really good as well. Okay. And it's based on the sales that you make. But what I recommend that you do is as you come up here, just simply come up here and look for the service that you provide, right? So I am in the field of Salesforce. So I'm going to come right in here and click Salesforce. And what you will find is something that you really want to do is make sure that your rating is really, really high. Okay. And that also you have a fantastic promo video that really illustrates what it is that you do and how it is that you do it. Okay. One of the critical pieces as well is that often people will try and find niches, both in terms of their levels and in terms of their price and in terms of the service that they provide. Okay. And be very, very clear about the description that you provide. This is perhaps a great one. I will do all configuration and Apex coding. I know exactly what I'm getting and how I'm getting it, right? And some catchy pictures as well really help. All right. Fantastic. These are some things that you can think about as you're going through. TaskRabbit is great as well. You can become a tasker right up here. Okay, it's more accessible, this website. And what I would like you to think about when you think about TaskRabbit is that this offers more physical tasks. Okay, so this is for those consultants or freelancers who may be offering moving services, who may be offering shopping services, or maybe just reaching out to someone and providing some sort of assistance in reality, right? Whereas Fiverr and Upwork offer you more virtual assistant opportunities. To find out more, I recommend actually trying out and getting a virtual assistant yourself, right? So that's what I did when I got started. I actually went and found a Salesforce consultant and gave them a project to do just to get a good know-how of the process that is taken. And once I got that down, then I was able to actually become a freelancer and figure out what it is that a customer is looking for and look at my work through their lens, which was incredibly fantastic. So I recommend, if you're in the field of digital products, then Upwork and Fiverr are perfect for you. If you're in the field of more handy, sort of moving and packaging, mounting and installation, then TaskRabbit is right up your alley. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to give me a review, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.